Happy Friday, Brian Manning here with the weekly update. Let's get right to it. So Monday, Tuesday this week, pretty quiet news days, not really much to report there. A lot of information on Wednesday. So Wednesday we got, first of all, existing home sales. Existing home sales for the month of February were up 3%. The reason why this is such a good number is because there's been such poor weather in the Northeast. The Northeast typically makes up about 12% of all sale transactions. And even with the Northeast being down 12% of sale transactions, overall in the U.S., we still saw an increase of 3% in existing home sales. So a really good, really strong report. Also have across the nation 1.6 million homes for sale right now, the lowest on record for over 20 years. So inventory everywhere just extremely low. In addition, first-time home buyers in the month of February making up 29%. First-time home buyers really kind of fluctuating between 29 and 32% of all purchase transactions. So still a large force of purchase transactions are always going to be and still are first-time home buyers, but kind of on the lower end of the spectrum right now. Also, Wednesday this week, we get mortgage banker applications or Mortgage Bankers Association's applications. So this talks about how many purchase transactions do we have with loan applications. Right now, on a year-over-year basis, mortgage applications for purchases are up 6%. So it's still amazing to see this. In the face of higher interest rates and the lack of inventory, we're still seeing really strong mortgage applications. Also this week, we get Fed meeting. Federal Reserve raised rates 0.25%. No shock, everyone expected this. But what's really important out of this meeting is that we get what's called the dot plot forecast. So this is where all of the voting members kind of plot out what they think is going to happen over the rest of the year for Fed rate hikes, and pretty unanimous that most Fed voting members see 3 additional rate hikes for the rest of the year. So wouldn't be surprised if we see a full 1% increase of rates this year just from the Fed voting members. Friday today, we get new home sales. So new home sales measures signed contracts on new construction properties. Really good way to keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening in the future. And it was down 0.6%. So the headline number doesn't seem like it would be a great report. But if you look at what happened, they revised the prior month's number up 5%. So when you have the prior month increase of 5% and you have this report all balanced together, it's a really good report in line with what market expectations were. So good to see there. Again, still really strong report with the Northeast being in such a situation of bad weather and also in the face of rising rates. So still a really good report overall. I'm around all weekend. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to help you any way I can. Happy Friday. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.